As the Hong Kong national security law is implemented, the British National Overseas Passport (BNO) has recently become a hot topic for Hong Kongers since many are considering emigration. A few days ago, Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced that the United Kingdom would provide BNO passport holders with the opportunity to obtain citizenship. Foreign Minister Dominic Raab also added that the new regulations would apply to the families of BNO holders. While there are currently 350,000 BNO passport holders, about 3 million Hong Kong residents are eligible for BNO passports. The Chinese Communist Party, CCP, immediately criticized the actions of the United Kingdom, as Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian stated that the UK will have to bear all consequences. Zhao went on further. In the memoranda exchanged between the two sides, the British side declares that it will not confer the right of abode to Chinese citizens in Hong Kong who hold BNO passports. If the British side makes unilateral changes to the relevant practice, it will breach its own position and pledges as well as international law and basic norms guiding international relations. We firmly oppose this and reserve the right to take corresponding measures. Some elites in Hong Kong view this statement from another angle. From just one single British announcement about the BNO, the CCP is already reacting with insecurity. Recently, Ming Pao reported that Anne Chiang, a member of the Legislative Council from the pro-CCP DAB party, or the Democratic Alliance for the Betterment and Progress of Hong Kong, told staff members and police officers involved in the work of the Hong Kong national security law that they, quote, shouldn't and needn't renew their BNOs. Chiang asked further, "If you hold a BNO passport, what is your intention?" Chiang's remarks were actually triggered by a deeper reason. Analysts pointed out that a large number of people in the pro-CCP camp, dubbed locally as the Blue Ribbons, including Hong Kong government officials and some Hong Kong businessmen, want to use this BNO opportunity to leave Hong Kong. The number is not fewer than those from the opposite camp who don't like the CCP, locally dubbed as the, quote, Yellow Ribbons. The new route created for Hong Kong BNO passport holders has made it much easier to emigrate to the UK. The Blue Ribbons also worry about their future, as they know that the CCP may casually crack down anyone as they please under the new national security law. On July 3rd, the Hong Kong government clarified that the authorities did not require civil servants to give up their BNO passports, contrary to what was circulating in Hong Kong society. A few days ago, Francis Lui, the former head of the Department of Economics at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, said that if more than 300,000 Hong Kongers leave, it will help property prices fall and free up the room for attracting mainland China and international talent. He claimed that the new blood will make Hong Kong healthier. But other analysts take a different view. They analyze that if 700,000 Hong Kong people leave, after selling their houses, selling stocks, and other assets, the average person will take away at least 1 million Hong Kong dollars. That total is almost $90 billion, a quarter of Hong Kong's foreign exchange reserves of $400 billion. The compound impact brought about by the departure of 700,000 people is enough to shake the Hong Kong dollar's peg to the US dollar. An elite in the Hong Kong business community told the Epoch Times that on the issue of national security laws, the Chinese Communist Party has racked its brains to control Hong Kong and Hong Kongers, but the British disturbed CCP's seemingly iron grip with a single announcement. He said, "The national security law is not Hong Kong's second time of return to China, as some pro-CCP legislators claim. It is a second colonization of the British. The new route of emigration will take away talent and money from Hong Kong. The Blue Ribbons camp is weighing the option too. The CCP will be left with a mess to clean up Hong Kong."